here is also at the rear of the back block, but it's at the northernmost of the two IOs at the back. We're going to head down this, which we believe will only be a short run until it meets the other one. At this point here we've intersected with the last drain we did, so we're going to pull back out from here.